Imagine standing beneath a star-filled sky, your eyes catching a faint, misty glow that's puzzled stargazers for centuries. What could it be, a cosmic cloud or a realm of stars far beyond our own? This is the story of the Andromeda Galaxy, a celestial enigma that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos and revealed a universe far grander than anyone dared to dream. Long ago, when telescopes were rudimentary and the night sky held more mysteries than answers, Andromeda appeared as little more than a hazy patch. Early astronomers, peering through their lenses, labeled it a nebula, a wispy cloud of gas nestled within our Milky Way. But its elusive nature stirred questions. Could this smudge be something greater, perhaps a galaxy unto itself? These early musings set the stage for a scientific revolution that would redefine the universe. In the dawn of the 20th century, a fierce debate gripped the astronomical community. Was Andromeda merely a part of our Milky Way, or did it exist as a separate cosmic island? At the time, many believed the Milky Way was the entirety of the universe, a vast container for every star and nebula. Harlow Shapley championed this view, insisting that the Milky Way was large enough to hold all observed phenomena. In contrast, Heber Curtis argued that Andromeda's faint glow, along with its dim novae, stars that flared dramatically, hinted at a distance far beyond our galaxy's borders. This clash of ideas culminated in 1920 during a landmark event known as the Great Debate. Though the discussion ended without a clear winner, it ignited a spark that would soon illuminate the truth about Andromeda's place in the cosmos. The turning point came in 1924, when Edwin Hubble, armed with a powerful 100-inch telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, unlocked Andromeda's secrets. By observing Cepheid variable stars, which pulse with predictable brightness, Hubble calculated Andromeda's distance. His discovery was staggering. Andromeda wasn't a nearby nebula, but a distinct galaxy, far removed from the Milky Way. This revelation shattered the notion of a single galaxy universe, unveiling a cosmos brimming with countless galaxies stretching into the infinite. Today, we recognize Andromeda as the dominant giant of our local group, a collection of galaxies that includes our own Milky Way. Home to roughly 1 trillion stars, it teems with cosmic wonders, from vibrant star-forming regions to enigmatic dark matter halos. Yet its story doesn't end with its grandeur. Andromeda holds a dramatic future tied to our own galaxy. In approximately 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are destined to meet in a spectacular gravitational dance. This won't be a violent clash of stars, but a slow, majestic interplay of forces. Stars, separated by vast distances, are unlikely to collide. Instead, the galaxy's mutual gravity will stretch and twist their shapes, spawning tidal streams and triggering waves of new star formation. This cosmic merger will reshape both galaxies into something entirely new. Before we learn more about Andromeda, don't forget to like the video. All right, let's continue. Andromeda's unveiling as a galaxy sparked a cascade of discoveries about its nature. Its core, dense with older, reddish stars, orbits a supermassive black hole, while its sweeping spiral arms burst with youthful blue stars and glowing gas clouds. These contrasting regions reveal a galaxy in constant evolution, offering clues to the processes that have shaped our own Milky Way. Andromeda's history of galactic mergers, where smaller galaxies were absorbed, further enriches its story, painting a picture of a dynamic universe where galaxies grow and transform over eons. Andromeda's majestic form tells a tale of conquest and assimilation. Over billions of years, smaller galaxies have been drawn into its gravitational embrace, their stars and gas woven into Andromeda's sprawling structure. These ancient mergers leave subtle scars, ghostly trails of stars and wisps of disrupted gas that whisper of cosmic encounters long past, painting Andromeda as a galactic architect reshaping its domain. Enveloping Andromeda is a vast, unseen halo of dark matter, a mysterious substance that eludes light yet exerts a profound gravitational pull. Its presence is revealed through the galaxy's rapid rotation, defying what visible matter alone could sustain. Comprising much of Andromeda's mass, this shadowy enigma challenges scientists to unravel its secrets, holding keys to the universe's fundamental nature. Modern observatories have transformed our view of Andromeda, unveiling its intricacies in stunning detail. The Hubble Space Telescope has woven intricate portraits, capturing millions of stars in a cosmic mosaic. Infrared imaging pierces through dust clouds, exposing vibrant star-forming regions and delicate lanes of interstellar material. Radio telescopes, meanwhile, trace the galaxy's sprawling hydrogen clouds, revealing gaseous tendrils stretching far beyond its luminous core. By studying synchrotron radiation, astronomers have also begun mapping Andromeda's magnetic fields, shedding light on the invisible forces sculpting its evolution. Andromeda's immense gravity bends light from distant realms, acting as a natural telescope through gravitational lensing. This phenomenon magnifies ancient galaxies, offering glimpses into the universe's infancy billions of years ago. It also unveils hidden treasures closer to home, rogue planets, elusive dark matter clusters, and faint galaxies lurking in the cosmic background. Could Andromeda harbor distant worlds? Though its vast distance makes planet hunting daunting, gravitational microlensing offers hope. By detecting fleeting brightening of background stars caused by the gravitational unseen objects, astronomers may one day confirm planets in Andromeda's starry expanse. Such a discovery would redefine our understanding of planetary systems, extending the search for life beyond our galaxy. The prospect of life in Andromeda hinges on finding planets with liquid water, stable orbits, and life-friendly atmospheres. With 1 trillion stars, Andromeda likely hosts countless worlds in habitable zones. Future telescopes equipped to detect biosignatures, chemical traces of life, could reveal whether Andromeda's stars cradle alien ecosystems, fueling dreams of cosmic kinship. The dream of reaching Andromeda pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. Futuristic propulsion systems, like laser-driven light sails, antimatter engines, or the speculative Alcubierre drive, could one day make intergalactic travel feasible. These concepts, though distant, embody humanity's relentless ambition to explore the cosmos, turning Andromeda from a distant marvel into a destination. Envisioning human colonies in Andromeda demands a bold strategy, dubbed the Andromeda Accord. This framework would guide humanity from pioneering propulsion technologies to establishing outposts. Robotic scouts would pave the way, gathering data and constructing habitats. Human settlers, supported by advanced life support systems and perhaps digital consciousness for the journey, would face the ultimate test of survival in a new galaxy. As Andromeda and the Milky Way spiral ever closer, their gravitational embrace will forge a new chapter in cosmic history. In roughly 4.5 billion years, their merger will give rise to Milkomeda, a colossal elliptical galaxy born from this celestial waltz. The skies of this future realm will shimmer with unfamiliar star patterns, potentially hosting new worlds where life might flourish, a testament to the universe's endless capacity for reinvention. From a hazy glow puzzling ancient stargazers to a cornerstone of modern astronomy, Andromeda has reshaped our view of the cosmos. Its discovery as a distinct galaxy shattered old boundaries, revealing a universe teeming with countless stellar realms. Fueled by cutting-edge telescopes and humanity's insatiable curiosity, Andromeda's story continues to unfold, offering clues to our place in the vast cosmic mosaic and hints of discoveries yet to come. If Andromeda's grandeur sparks your imagination, dive deeper into its mysteries. Share your wonder with fellow stargazers, join astronomy communities, and stay curious about the universe's secrets. Each new finding brings us closer to understanding our galactic neighbor and the boundless possibilities awaiting us. Greenland's ice is melting, unveiling a treasure trove of mysteries, ancient fossils, colossal canyons, and resources that could change the world. But as the ice retreats, what will humanity uncover next? A lost ecosystem, a geopolitical showdown, or something beyond our wildest imagination? The answers are emerging from this frozen frontier, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Want to dive deeper into Greenland's secrets? Click on the video suggested above to find out more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.